Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Turn ignition off and shift into neutral. First, sit in the driver's seat and confirm the parking brake is set. Safety first. Remove any gator clips and peel back the leather or plastic gator to expose the knob base. Use an 8mm hex key to loosen the retaining screw or twist the collar counterclockwise if your Fiesta uses a threaded knob. Work slowly to avoid damaging the gator or selector lever. Expect 10 to 15 minutes for removal on a typical Fiesta, depending on rust or tight fits. Inspect the replacement knob and confirm whether it mounts on a splined shaft or threads on. Check alignment marks. Check the new knob fits the Fiesta splined shaft or thread and remove any protective caps. Align the selector pattern so 1-2-3-4-5R sits correctly. Then slide the knob fully down onto the shaft, seating the gator as you go. Torque the retaining screw to 10 Nm or hand tighten if plastic insert is present, and trim excess boot if needed for a snug fit. With the new knob installed, sit and slowly move the lever through all gears to confirm smooth engagement. Test gears through all positions and ensure no binding or extra play. Take it for a short low-speed drive to verify normal operation. If reverse engages with resistance, reseat the knob, recheck alignment, and retest until engagement is crisp. Reattach the gator clips and clean fingerprints. Total job time is about 20 to 30 minutes for most Fiestas, slightly longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.